Hi, meteorologist Brian Hill in the 13 News Weather Lab, and we'll have a scattered shower or two. You can see one on radar right now, as a matter of fact, off the Virginia Beach ocean front. That's the kind of shower activity we're going to have today, though widely scattered. So when you take a look at today's forecast and you see that thunderstorm, that's widely scattered. Well, much of the day filled with sunshine. Toward the evening, we could see a thunderstorm especially as well. Now, here's how things are looking today. Upper 80s, sunshine giving way to clouds, a stray shower, thunderstorm possible. Southeasterly winds 5 to 10, sunrise 6:25 and set at 7:51. And the water is going to be a wonderful place to be. Chesapeake Bay 77, southeasterly winds 5 to 10, waves 2 to 3. The Atlantic Ocean, much the same story in terms of temperature, and then southeasterly winds 15 to 20, waves 3 to 4 feet. And the low tide at Sewell's Point at 7:46, the high at 2:10. A great day out on the water, a great day right across Hampton Roads and northeastern North Carolina. Look at these temperatures here, 88 and a low 74 tonight. Nice and comfortable. Could see an evening thunderstorm. And then Monday, a morning thunderstorm giving way to sunshine, an 89. And then Tuesday, 90. Yep, it's going to be more humid. And then a thunderstorm to water the lawn or maybe wash your car, thanks to Mother Nature. That's what Sula likes. And 92 Thursday, Friday, and this upcoming weekend's looking great at 92 degrees. Sula?
All right, thank you very much, Brian.
I'm meteorologist Brian Hill in the 13 News Weather Lab, taking a look at high-definition radar. We've got some action for you out here tonight. See these areas of light green? That means light shower activity. But as we take a closer look at things, there's some heavier activity here. The more colorful areas of yellow indicate more intense light to moderate rainfall. These lighter areas in through here, just light showers, and through Lynn Haven Shores and the Wilsonare Plantation area. Along the Virginia Beach ocean front right now, you're okay. And this is going to the north, so things are looking pretty good for the evening hours. Now notice this little line right here. These have popped up because of onshore breezes late day coming in off of the ocean and triggering off these showers. They're going to continue their motion inland, so they're not going to be a problem for us either. But we've had these showers and thunderstorms pop up. There's a special satellite photograph I'd like to show you that can explain why. We have had a lot of stickiness and humidity in the air, and this particular satellite photo is of the moisture, the water vapor photograph. You can think of it as the higher levels of humidity streaming in off of the Atlantic, the stickiness factor increasing as the flow is not from the west to the east as we traditionally see, but coming in right off the Atlantic in terms of the weather maker for our area. And if we get closer, just around the Virginia and North Carolina area here, and we color in with blue the areas of highest humidity and highest levels of water vapor, you can see that they're all dotted through our area. This is why we've had these showers and thunderstorms break out on your Memorial Day, and we'll continue to have this threat tomorrow. The visible satellite photograph, the traditional satellite photograph, during the day, we've had these clouds just blossom up and build with this moisture coming in off the Atlantic, and this is the reason we've had these showers tonight, because of these little clouds right here, and they're producing, well, kind of a wet experience for some people who are trying to have their Memorial Day outdoor picnic, for example, but they won't last long. And this is the mathematical model. Here's what's in your future. These showers are going to shift to the north. There'll be some cloud cover, 7 o'clock tonight. A quiet night. As we go through the overnight hours here, you'll see that, well, the areas of green indicating shower activity, and the heavier areas in orange here of showers and thunderstorms, mostly up closer to the DC area. We're pretty quiet with clear skies overnight, and by 7 o'clock in the morning it's nice for us too. Just clear skies, a little cloud inland here, but that's about it. And going ahead in time to 7 o'clock at night, inland showers, thunderstorms, not a lot of activity for us. So it should be a great day tomorrow along the Virginia Beach ocean front. Wednesday, 7 o'clock in the morning, not too bad either. Just some showers to the north of us. Most of the action on Wednesday, inland, not along the ocean front, so that's good news. A little cloud cover showing up right here. That's a cold front pressing through, so we have cooler, more comfortable conditions in the forecast as we go into the future. Some showers, thunderstorms could pop up for the Outer Banks of North Carolina come Thursday. Here are our current temperatures. Boy, it's a nice evening along the Virginia Beach ocean front at 77. Warmer inland, 82, 86 at West Point. And here's the forecast. 78 is our current conditions south side and 84 in the peninsula. Easterly winds are light at 5. 67 tonight, mostly cloudy. Shower or two in spots. 5 to 10 in terms of the winds. 77 for the high tomorrow. Could see a hit or miss shower or thunderstorm though, and 10 to 15. Beautiful weather if you're visiting with us, and great for doing something out in the bay. Chesapeake Bay now is 73. We're watching the water temperatures closely. Only 67 for the Atlantic. 3 to 4 foot seas in terms of doing something out on the ocean. And here's the forecast for this week. Looks great. 80 on Wednesday, 83 Thursday. Scattered showers or thunderstorms possible. And then that transition on Friday to, well, the cold front coming through and our temps dropping to 76 Saturday and 77 Sunday. Less risk of showers and thunderstorms. That's the 7-day forecast. I'm meteorologist Brian Hill in the 13 News Weather Lab, and taking a live look at high-definition radar. We are pretty good today in comparison to yesterday, where we had a lot of shower activity, very widely scattered, a little bit north of the Albemarle Sound here, just south of the state line with North Carolina. And there's some activity out in the ocean, but not along the Virginia Beach ocean front, so that is great news for all the vacationers who are with us. But there are some widely scattered showers, and there's good reason for that. Let's take a look at the upper-level winds. The jet stream is separating the colder air to the north and warmer air to the south. That's the northern jet stream, and that's the one we talk about, the major core of upper-level winds. But there's a southern jet stream, too, I want to talk about tonight. And that is creating this little hook right here, this little eddy. And the National Hurricane Center is watching this very closely, because in this humid air that it's pulling in off of the Atlantic, we could have some convective development, and there's a little bit that is starting to develop. And the hurricane season is going to be starting officially at the end of this week. And you can see here tonight that we've got a little bit of convective activity, a little cloud development off the coast of Florida. And the mathematical models are analyzing this to see what, if anything, might happen with that particular area of activity. So we're watching that, but also we're watching our area. Beautiful clear skies to start the day. And then watch what happens as the daytime heating develops. The clouds, especially inland, develop, and we're in the sunshine along the coastline. So that's great. And in terms of the future predictive model of where the rain will be. As we go to 7 o'clock on Tuesday, we do have some thunderstorms that will develop in North Carolina. I was showing you some on live radar earlier. A little bit of cloud cover developing for us, and we could possibly overnight see some showers roll through. By 7 o'clock on Wednesday morning, though, it should be pretty good for us. Mostly rain-free around our area, some cloud cover, though, and then during the daytime, some scattered shower activity. We're still in this humid air mass. It's unsettled for us. 7 o'clock on Thursday, things quiet down some. Overnight, we've got the suppression of the showers and thunderstorms. During the daytime, they're blossoming again. And by the time we get to Friday, well, things begin to stabilize some, and that bodes well for the upcoming weekend. Wait till you see the long-range forecast that's coming up. But first, let's talk about the temperatures. If you're on the Virginia Beach ocean front, relatively cool, 73 degrees, Outer Banks of North Carolina, 79. Come inland and things warm up. It's 81 in Suffolk and 82 in Franklin, and to the north, a little bit cooler as the rainfall that's occurring up there is cooling things down for the folks to the north of us. Right now, 76 south side, 73 in the peninsula. The winds from the east-southeast at 12 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure 30.03. And wait till you see the forecast for tonight. Looks great, mostly cloudy, just a few showers in spots, but 65 degrees, and that's nice and comfortable. Southeasterly wind around 10 miles an hour. And tomorrow, another great day in Hampton Roads, variable cloudiness. A scattered shower is likely, but it's not going to be raining the entire time. And if you're here vacationing with us, it's just terrific weather. Southeasterly winds 10 to 15. You can see 8:15 sunset. Now, if you're doing something out in the bay, on the weekend we had 70-plus water temperatures, but it's cooled down now to 68 degrees. A little cool if you're putting your pinky in the water, but okay. And if you're out in the boat, 1 to 3 foot swells in the Chesapeake Bay, but out in the Atlantic Ocean, we're talking 2 to 4 feet. The high tide at 12:14 and the low at 6:16 at night. Now, the overall forecast scenario is pretty positive for us, but take a look at this. In the 7-day forecast, it even gets better. Although we're in the mid-80s through Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, come the weekend, nice and comfortable, 79 degrees, less humid weather, lots of sunshine. And right into Monday and Tuesday of next week, things are looking up. That is the 7-day forecast.